how you doing, guys? We're going to take a look at a brand new plugin from Chromatic, which is called PaintX, which gives you very much Photoshop-like tools within Final Cut Pro 10. And I think it was a great idea, actually implemented by them. So let's go ahead and take a look. And we're going to go to, we already installed the plugin to our scene we're going to look at. So a lot of the tools are very similar, like Photoshop and other editors, photo editors. In this case, they are paint. You can paint with color, change color, blur, smear, sharpen, warp, clone, add noise, heal, and the erase button. Here you can also select your brush size and some other properties for your brush. In this case, we're going to do the heal. We're simply going to remove this lettering, and let me kind of reduce the size of the brush. I'm going to try to go slow to do a little bit better job. And we're going to remove the top lettering as accurately as possible. Now you can zoom in and do a little bit better job. As you can see, there's some down here. We're not going to mess with this as far as with this demonstration. And which is also nice here, it keeps it all in order as far as layers, and I like the idea that it also separates it as well. Another thing I didn't mention is I like the idea that it goes full screen. So when you're editing, you can see the video a lot easier for a frame as far as editing the different aspects of your video. I think that's a great idea as well. Also, once you apply your effects for your editing to your video, then you can track it, which it should any type of editing. In this case, you do need a tracker, so we're going to go ahead and track that. And I'm not sure if they're using the same Mocha tracker as some of their other products, such as Chromatic. I'm guessing it's something very similar. As you can see, it's tracking it actually quite well. And we just only took like maybe a 3-second video, so it'd be a lot faster. And we're going to play it back once we finish tracking, just like so. And let's play it back. And as you can see, it tracks quite well. Now, if I did a little bit better job, as you can see some of the white lettering here. Like I said, you can zoom in and do much more detailed and remove that, but for the sake of the demo, I did it really quickly just to show you. And there you go. That's some of the aspects of the new PaintX by Chromatic. I think it's a very unique idea. Add some of the editing functions of a photo editor to like erase, clone, and heal. I would get them just for those uses, and then some other uses as well. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later.